Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. So I'm going to discuss about that. Yesterday I made a video how to do that three candle or three bar reversal pattern. It's a lengthy video. I hope you get a more detail on that pattern on that video. So I'm going to show you how that pattern is working for today's market. So that I'm going to discuss here, and even we can do the trade in options, in intraday options. So that is what the main key where we are going to discuss in this video. Again, if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel. So how we can do the Bank Nifty options. So most of the traders or most of them are asking about trade Bank Nifty intraday. So that's why I'm going to discuss about that candlesticks pattern where we are going to use in a Bank Nifty options. So the pattern which you remember, so if you are not yet seen my video, just go through the previous video and you can get it out what candlesticks pattern we are discussing about. The first candle should be the red candle, and the second also be the red candle, and third one where it is closing above. So we have two conditions. We said about the two conditions, whether it may be closing above this candle or it may be closes above the first candle. So this is what the valid pattern of three bar reversal. So whenever it happen at the lowest level, you may be getting such a great opportunity. When we are seeing today's market in a 18,000 38,500 put option around, this is the time around 10:45 to 10:30 to 10:45. Can you able to see the first candle is a red, and the second candle also be the red, and it forms a new low compared to the previous one, and the third candle should be the higher high candle, and it closed above the candle number 1. So this is the exact trade setup where we are discussing about yesterday's video. So where I'm going to take, whether you are going to take the high break or you can take the closing price. The stop loss for the trade is the low of the second candle. So this is a three candle setup whenever you got it. So you have the good opportunity. So 623 is the low for that particular strike price of 38,500 put option. This I is 734. Even if you are trying to take a entry at this lowest level, because it started by 998 and it will keep on going down. So we are waiting for the reversal opportunity where there is a exact reversal, we can find it out. So it is happening at lowest level of the day. Got it? This is what the day low of that particular strike price, that is 38,500 put option. Today's low is this much of that candle is the day least low of the day around 623.2. So where the market is started reversing from that point, so we may be getting such an opportunity where there is a reversal. You got it? So this candle is closed above, this closing is around 660. The next candle closed above 693. So it satisfies our condition. So this is what a valid trade setup. So where we are going to focus these three candle, and also it is a engulfing pattern and a hammer. So something is that. But we are focusing about the three candlesticks pattern that was perfectly forms here. So how to take a entry? So you should try to take a entry over that high of 734. Your stop loss should be a 623. So if I am making the trade for this option 734 minus 623, should I take a 111 rupees as a risk? Where you see that how the market is reacting after this candle. It went to maximum of somewhere around 1184 is the max price. After our entry, 1184 should be the maximum price. Should we get that? We got an entry around 740. The entry is around 735. Stop loss is 623. So let me try roughly 740 is the entry and 620 should be the stop loss. So we are taking near about 120 risk. And from that 740 market went to 1184. The 15 minutes time frame I'm using for that kind of trade setup. So whenever that 740 triggers, I got somewhere around 250, 300, 400 point it moved. So you got it, that answer of how it moves very big with the 400 point. The same kind of setup where it is forms at this time. And this time this eye is broken and it moves very small and triggers your stop loss finally. So this will give you such a good result on intraday if you are managing a risk reward ratio. So this is what the strike price where in the morning the market was trading nearby 38,100. So we selected 38,500 put option. That was a in the money put options we are selecting. So after this particular time market was trading somewhere around 38,000. If you are seeing 38,000 because I have did a trade in 38,000 put option. 8,000 put option, that is you are trading around, yes. So this is I think a 13th 38,000 put option where you can exactly see even this option also giving you the opportunity based on that candlesticks pattern, the same pattern which is present here, and again the same kind of pattern which is present here. This time it triggers your entry and it triggers your stop loss, but this time we got a such a huge benefit. So this method is working well. So if you are practicing this method, you may be getting such a good result on your intraday trade. So that I'm focusing here, the 3 candle reversal pattern. So in option also you can use. So if you are using a 5 minutes time frame, we will get more confusion signals, or if you will get a lot of signals, we may be fixed out. So if you are using 15 minutes, we got a very minimum number of trades, so that having good. And if you are we have used the scanner whenever it forms at the lowest level. If you this candlestick forms at the day low, must be this is the valid signal and this should be not be a valid signal, correct? So we use the condition filter for a day low as well as day high. So we got a put option buy opportunity here. So another candlesticks pattern, that is what the reversal of this particular pattern should be. First candle should be green, first candle should be green, and second candle should be green, and third candle should be red, right? Third candle should be red one, so which closes below that one. So it is not moving higher than that. So but it closed below that. So this is a 3 bar sell reversal. So if you have seen this, whenever the same pattern which is present at an bank nifty, can you see that the pattern which is forms at a bank nifty at the highest level of the market? So the 3 candle, the first one is a bullish and second one is bullish and third one which is closes below the second one, also it is closes below the third one also. That is what a big opportunity. From there market fallen down, and again there is the same pattern which is present here, but it was not happening at the highest level. It is happening, but it was in the middle of that day's range. But whenever it happens at the day's high range or a day's low range, so we may be getting a good chances to make such a big money. But after that it moves very small and finally it triggers your stop loss, no problem at all. But here from 30, this is a spot price 38,000, it coming down to 37,400, almost 600 point it generated the profit. But the risk you are taken, if you are breaking the low 987, the high of 134, almost 200 point risk is giving you more than 600 point profit. So this is a simple method. So I'm not yet created the scanner, so next video I'm going to create the scanner, how it is working on intraday. So using 15 minutes time frame. So let me try with another video. So even lot of options. So today I was taken some trade in Birlasoft, that is also working good, but I'm not exited that position. I'm keep holding for my positional trade, and the same kind of pattern which is happening on daily basis in Birlasoft. Yesterday I showed you, no, in daily basis Birlasoft also, Birlasoft Z Entertainment, so lot of stuff. So two consecutive down and the next one is a green. So where there is a high is broken, there is a good positive move. So even I got some good profit, but I'm not yet booked at that one because it's a positional trade also involved in this one. And some other stock also, Zeal we have seen, I think Z Entertainment, but it was open above that high, so it is not giving you the entry point. And I think Bata India yesterday we seen, so if you want to check, you can go for our previous video. It is not moving big, so it was very flat. So these three stocks I focused for this kind of pattern, that is working well. But this one is not a good one because the low of that particular is compared to the previous low, it is very new low. This one is a new low. I hope so. Options, so a lot of options. If you want to check it out, a lot of strike prices. So while if you are doing an option trade, the selection of the strike price is important. So let I show you something about today's trade, like Titan. So Titan, I think the strike price will, I will tell you the strike price. The Titan is 2700 put option. Let's see 2700 put option in Titan. Can able to see anywhere, so it's just not trading well. So let's go for a Titan 2600 put option. So if you are doing the options, you need some good value. So this is the call option. So it started by gap up and then it started moving down. So if you are anyone who buying in the morning, so you may be facing some big risk for that option buying. So instead of that, whenever we got such a kind of opportunity, so we may be trying to take a trade. So instead of that 2600 put, I'm going to take a 2600 call. I'm going to take a 2600 put of Titan. Let's see this one. It started by low, but here we didn't get any second candle, negative candle. But it is like a doji or hammer. So what I am expecting, so kind of pattern which I am expecting, you are seeing there is a no, not available. So but if you are seeing in the 5 minutes, so you need to track more data. So where you got a 5 minutes time frame, we didn't get here. It is a 2 candles low and the next one is not closed above the previous one, so there is a no opportunity at that point. So but here can you able to see the exact pattern, so I'm talking about the pattern how it is working. So in options also that is working well. So 2 consecutive low, there is not a valid one. So but this one is not, sorry, this stock which I am taken for a that RSI based, so that alert which I have triggered on my Telegram group, that basis. So that I will go to, I'll teach you that later on the video. So this one I've seen I seen lot of stocks today, so I think I will tell you ICICI Bank, I think. So the pattern which I'm trying to tell you, ICICI Bank 800 put option on 15 minutes time frame. Lot of things which I find out in options. 15 minutes time frame, can you able to see that the ICICI Bank, we got the opportunity at this point. 2 consecutive red candle, that the candle is the least low, that is the day low of that particular option. So 800 put option, today's low for ICICI Bank 8000 put option is exactly this point. So this is what 18.1 and the next candle high is 20.2. If you are taking an entry at 20.2, you may be keeping the stop loss of just 2 rupees, 8.1 18.1. So let's see how it will react. It's a perfect move from that our entry point. So it made a high of 26. So we are taking a 20. So almost 1:2 it generated with such a good profit. So that is the thing about the power of this particular 3 candlestick reversal, and we can do with the options also in Bank Nifty. Yesterday also it giving you some such opportunity, but whenever it forms a lowest level, so there is a kind of reversal pattern which is happening. So that I'm focusing for, and I'm going to create a new video for our next session. So I hope for this how to trade with the Bank Nifty options based on this candlestick pattern that we are doing with. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. So you can play this kind of fantasy pattern if you are able to find out. Thank you so much.